In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use drawio in Confluence. If you're looking to enhance your Confluence pages with engaging dynamic diagrams, you're in the right place. We'll go through this process step by step, ensuring that you can effortlessly integrate drawio into your Confluence workflow. To begin, you first need to log into your Confluence account. Once you're inside, head over to the top menu and click on Apps. From the drop-down, select Explore More Apps. This will take you to a marketplace where you can find various add-ons for Confluence, including many productivity-boosting tools. In the search bar of the marketplace, type draw.io diagrams and proceed to install the app. By doing this, you'll be adding a powerful diagramming tool to your Confluence setup, which means you'll be able to create flowcharts, organizational charts, network diagrams, and much more directly within Confluence. Now that Draw.io is set up, navigate to the Confluence page where you want to create your diagram. Once there, click into the editor and type Draw.io. A menu will pop up giving you the option to select Draw.io diagram. This command allows you to easily start the diagramming process without breaking the flow of your document. Next, you're presented with a choice. You can either start with a blank diagram if you prefer building from the ground up, or opt for a template like a flowchart or org chart, depending on your needs and preferences. Templates can be a great way to save time and spark ideas if you're unsure where to begin. After you've made your selection, go ahead and click Create. This will open up the Draw.io editor where all the magic happens. The editor is designed to be intuitive and user-friendly, providing you with a variety of tools and options. On the left panel, you can see a wide array of shapes. Simply drag any shape you want onto the canvas to start building your diagram. When it comes to connecting these shapes, it's as simple as hovering over a shape and dragging the arrow to your desired destination. This creates connectors, which are vital for showing relationships in your diagrams. To add text, just double-click on any shape, making it easy to label components directly for clarity. For all your formatting needs, look to the top toolbar where you'll find options to change colors, adjust line styles, and customize fonts to match the style of your Confluence page. Once you're satisfied with your creation, be sure to click Publish in the top right corner of the editor. Doing this will embed the diagram directly within your Confluence page, providing visual content that complements your written material and boosts engagement. With these steps, you should now be ready to enrich your Confluence pages with Draw.io diagrams, making your documentation more informative and visually appealing.